Well guys, the honeymoon's over. It's 3 months in, just about to the date that I picked up old Tiffany here. And I really didn't want to film this video. I wasn't even going to, but there are 5 things that I hate about this truck. Number 1, it's big, it's bright, it gets me too much attention. There are good and bad pros and cons with that. 1, window tint. 2, it's flashy. It's a score. It's a heat score. I haven't been pulled over yet. I'm going to be courteous when the time comes, and likely the tint will come off at that time. I'll ride it till then. If an RCMP member is watching this, I'm probably getting pulled over. 2, I have people stop in front of my place, and please, if you're one of these people, don't do this. Don't stop in front of my place to take a picture of my truck. I don't need you taking pictures of my truck at my house. If you want pictures of my truck, send me an email. I'll send you a picture. I can't go anywhere, guys, without being tagged, spotted, whatever. And get it, I get it. It's a YouTube channel, and that's why I have a huge Running Joe Off-Road advertisement now down the side of my truck, because I realized, man, I can't go anywhere without somebody staring blatantly at me, and that's okay. I'll live with it. It's like a pro, it's a con. I'll deal with the attention. It's good for the channel. Number 2 are these XD wheels. I really don't like them. I wouldn't have chose them building this truck. I didn't build this truck. I am going to put my touch on it, but I would not have chose XD wheels. In my opinion, XD wheels are some of the cheapest garbage available on the market. And that said, I already have my replacement wheels selected. I have not bought them yet. I already know what color combo they're going to be. Hint, you probably see it on the truck already. And I'm trying to decide if I want to go down from a 20 down to an 18 or a 17. I see the pros of running 20s while towing, but for my back, an 18 or a 17 may be what's worth it. Number 3 thing I hate about this truck is its factory turbo. It's got 185-ish thousand miles on it, but guys, the factory turbo on this thing sucks. So built in, they have a turbo brake, and it's an actuator that moves in and out on a rod on the turbo and changes the position of the vanes. It is failing, and it is a common failure point on this unit. And it's gonna cost me $3,000 or $4,000 to change it with just a single turbo. If I can put together 10 or more, I would do a combo. But that is the number 3 thing I hate about this truck. Number 5, and probably the thing I hate the most, is knowing that this 68 RFE, when I change the turbo, is gonna have to get changed or upgraded. They're just not strong. They do the job, but they're not strong. And guys, it's just what it is. I know I bought this knowing full well what the transmission was, knowing that an ASIN is better, but I could not A, find a manual transmission truck. B, I honestly don't know if I'd want to drive a manual transmission truck all the time. And for bonus, number 6. We'll call it 5A, because it's not really a hate. I hate how much I've fallen in love with driving this truck. I've been a Toyota guy through and through. Had a Tacoma from 2010 to 2013. I bought my Lexus shortly afterwards. I bought a Tundra shortly after that. Honestly, guys, I did not see myself moving to a Tundra anytime soon. I am a Toyota fanboy. It aches my heart to know I love this truck more than I love my 2007 Toyota Tundra, and it pains me to say that. But the towing capacity, the 1 ton, the diesel, and honestly, guys, this truck has been great to me. These 5 things are so very minor that it would never stop me from buying another one. And I have told people, and I've told Toyota guys, I'd buy a brand new one right now if I could feasibly financially say yes, let's go buy a 2019. And guys, that's what I hate about this truck the most, is that I love it